So if you are already using any subscription in Google Play Store or in the YouTube or any Google related services subscription means, and if you're already added your credit card or debit card means, now how to remove that. So firstly I tell you about how to do that in the smartphone. Now in your Android smartphone, just open your Google Play Store and now click on this profile icon. Now here you can see the payments and subscription. Click on this. Now here click on the payment methods. Now here you can able to see all the list of debit or credit cards you have given for the payment methods, and if you want to remove that, just go down. Now here is a more payment option, just click on this. Now it actually automatically goes to your Google Chrome browser. Now here you can able to see your payment, all the credit card and debit cards details here. Now just click on the, here you can see the remove option. Now just select the remove. So which card you want to remove, just click on the remove. And during the removal process you need to select a new payment method, so then only you can able to remove the current Visa card. So just select whatever card you want and click on the save and remove. Firstly you need to add a card which you are not using or you not have enough balance in that, means just add that card, and after that remove your main card. So in that way it actually works. So without selecting any new payment method, you can't able to remove your older card. So now the card has been removed. Now just click on the OK. So now that particular card removed from the Google Play. Now this is for the smartphone, and in case if you are using any PC or laptop means, so just go to your Google Chrome browser or any other browser and search for payments.google.com. just go to that website. Now you can able to see the activity section. If you are already using any subscription means, you can see the list of activities, so how much you are actually paid, like that. Then click on the payment methods tab. So there you can able to see the all the debit or credit cards, and similarly you need to add any other card, so to remove the current card, and after that just remove that card easily. And also there is a subscription and service option, so just click on this. If any active services means, you can check out that, and if you want to disable the subscription also, you can do that. So now in this way you can remove any credit card or debit card from the Google Play.